Good morning to one and all present here. So today we are at the Rosary High School, and before the Ganesh Chaturthi vacations we had installed one smart interactive panel, and the second one has been installed today, and we are going to do the inauguration. So I wish all the students all the best and make the full use of all these interactive smart panels and make their education easier. I also request all the teachers that and hope that they will make the use of it to the fullest.
Okay, what concept drives you so fast that you are giving panels one after the another?
For us right now, education is more important than anything else, because when someone receives good education, that child can grow up as a very good citizen, very responsible citizen in the future, and it will be helpful for them to gain more knowledge than what they receive through books.
Is there any other demands that this school is come to you?
Not as such, but we will be very thankful if they approach us for any other help if they need.
Reach now Margao, Rosary School. Now since you have donated 2 panels, any other school approached to you for this cause?
Till now, no one has approached from this side, but many other schools at our side in North Goa, they have approached us. But they are not, means I have not got a clear request letter from anyone. Just through phone, our conversations have taken place.
So generally your trust is following some process. So
Yes.
can you please explain what is the process that maybe any other school required some help, how they can reach to you?
Very soon, we will be disclosing our email ID as well as a contact number through which they can contact us, and they can approach us directly with the request letter, so that we can consider their request. Whatever their requirements are, we will read out and make a visit to such schools or any places wherein some people have come up with some request, and then later we can go accordingly and do the needful.
Okay, are you available on social media platforms so that anybody can message you or try to contact you?
Recently, I have created my Facebook profile, so people can contact me and follow my page on Facebook, and they can contact me there.
Name. Facebook page name.
It's Neha Gavas.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, once again, we are very happy today, and we are very grateful to Gavas family, Mr. Neha Sailesh Gavas, late Sau Vasanti Vittu Vasant Trust. We are very grateful to them because they have been very considerate and in giving us the second panel, which they have promised. And this promise was so genuine, and I could feel that their integrity of life is so much that what they say, they do. They said it, and they said within a week's time we are going to give you another panel. They did it, and they have also saw that there was a need for another 2. They have promised before December that they will give another 2. So they are going to give us another altogether 4 panels of the digital learning program. And these are interactive boards are so good that our teachers, we have already conducted one session for teachers, and they want to teach this way, because this technique or technology is the tool for better learning and teaching process. So we are grateful immensely to this charitable trust, and we hope that we cooperate with this trust and we go hand in hand in enhancing and empowering our students, the future citizens of the country.
Okay, Father, one panel already donated.
Yes.
And installed.
Yeah.
So, how do you see the result or the outcome from the students?
The students is only one, that's only last Saturday we have a program how to use this panel by the teachers, and the teachers were so much taken up with the usage of it. So there is multiple use. It's not one-time use because it can enhance to the teacher and keep the students engaged even if that teacher is not there, because there is visual, there is audio. You can do so many things in that sphere. In a way, using profitably the time of the students in the classroom situation.
Okay, so basically you are trying to say that the teaching quality
Will enhance.
Thank you.
And we are very much delighted by the gift that we have received from the Gavas family, that is the charitable trust, and we will be in that. We are happy that we can use this for education purpose, and our students as well will be very happy, and God will bless the Gavas family. That's the charitable trust.
Sister, we come to know that you reached to Mrs. Neha, who is the chairperson of Video Gavas Charitable Trust, Vasanti Video Gavas. So, how you come to know that this charitable trust is making initiatives for the education sector?
Actually, I know Mrs. Gavas and Mr. Gavas, Advocate Sailesh Gavas, since 1 year. So I was in touch with him, and so recently he had visited our office at Old Age Home at Chinchini Noble Nest. So he just happened to share about this interactive board, and I had also heard that he was giving earlier to the North Goa schools. So when he expressed to me that there is one board is available and we are planning to give to the school, I just said, why don't you give it to Rosary School? And they are also looking for it because Father Gabriel had just mentioned it to me a few days before that they are looking for donors, and it is more useful for our students. And see if you happen to come across anyone just such who are supporting education, do let me know. So it was like God-given providence, I can say, that he just it coincided, like everything came together. His desire and person who came to that God only brought these thoughts and idea to actualize. So and Advocate Sailesh Gavas, he just didn't think twice. He just said, please tell the management to contact Mrs. Gavas. And I told Father, please contact, and I gave the number and all. So it happened within 3 days. And I cannot even imagine, it is a kind of miracle that has happened, and I'm so happy that somewhere the society is being helped. My main aim is that wherever someone needs help out. Whether you are in that field or not. If society is becoming better, always reach out.
Okay, when you put up the words to Sailesh Gavas, so what was his reaction? It was a positive, or what was the words that he spoke?
He said, please tell Father to contact me. He just gave Mrs. Neha's number and said, please tell Father to contact, or the management to contact. And I gave, and the Father wrote the application, and he said, we want to come and see the school. So I said, okay, I informed Father they want to come and see and meet the management to get to know more about this school and so on. So I don't think so he had a second thought for it. Once he had made a decision to give it to the school, to the needy, he has done it.
So they are just not donating, but they are actually coming and seeing the situation. What are the requirements?
They saw the reality, then they took a decision to give it, and they did it within a day. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Madam, what is your reaction when Advocate Sailesh Gavas and wife Neha Gavas first came up with first one panel and then they contributed a second panel in a week?
Actually, I that was beyond my imagination when they said they will donate more. Oh my God, I said, it is God's blessings are overflowing. Like no one after the other. I never expected that they would donate more. I thought they will do, and the school management will put in a common place so the every class would go and learn. But they are given an opportunity that every class will have. That I don't have more words than this. Like being grateful to God and to the trust.
Also, I do not know. But till then, that we are here to inaugurate the second panel, It is my humble request, use them discreetly, respect them, and let your learning, teaching process be quickened, faster, and let you become, all this is for a greater goal to make you better citizens of the country. All of you. So therefore, we are here with Sir Shailesh Gawas and his wife Neha Gawas is here, and we are very grateful to them. It is they who are donating. Do you know the cost of this one panel? How much? I'm going to give one.
1,20,000.
Very good. This is a little closer. 150,000. Is it big money or small money?
Big.
So see, we are so generous in giving so that you can see there are people who want to help you. Now your condition, your thing should be to make it very fruitful. You should first of all, you must make best use of it. Yes or no? Would you like to address the students?
Please be seated. A very good afternoon to all of you present here. Respected Father Gabriel, Madam Cynthia, Sister Merlin, teachers, all the press and electronic media, and students. So, students, I would just like to give a small piece of advice that your school is very popular all over Goa, and the students here also are very much disciplined, and we have heard a lot about this school. So initially when father had approached us, because since we are working for especially for the education field, and initially we had no future plans as such, but one panel was installed before your Ganesh Chaturthi vacations had started, and then vacation started. So you most of you people don't know that the panel was installed and you couldn't make the use of it very soon. And then the installation was done, the inauguration was done. Then later, when your schools reopened, your teachers have been given the demonstration of how to use it. Many of you must be aware of this smart interactive panel, right? Can few people tell me the uses of this? Yeah, anyone? Uses or advantages? Yes?
Our teacher already attended the course, 1 day seminar or few hours. Can you come forward and let us know what you, in first hand, what did you learn as a teacher from that panel and how you can use them?
Good day students, good day everybody. First thing, when they gave us the demo on Saturday, I got to learn about the Globus board which is there, and that is very useful for us in mathematics, wherein we can show it to you all the different figures. Usually I used to draw it on the board, so now I can directly show it to you all over here by just clicking over here, and it will be very easy and it will be also useful for your students to learn. Thank you.
See, there are many concepts which you cannot, sometimes you cannot understand through books, okay, through pictures, what you see in your books. So the same things you can see it visually, like the 3-dimension images and all. You can properly learn those. Okay, how the calculations will be done easily. All things are available here. You can understand few concepts through videos. Okay, there are few things which you don't. Suppose you cannot read everything at a time. When you start reading, you will take time, right? But the same thing when you see through videos, it will be very easy for you to understand certain things. So these are few advantages of this smart interactive panel. And plus it's a smart board wherein what your teacher teaches you by writing using the help of a chalk on the board, the same thing she can do on this smart interactive panel, because it also has a board wherein she will write and that will be displayed on the screen and it will be clearly visible to you all. Fine. So you all are class 10 students. You have a very you're nearing to your step by step, you're nearing to your career, you're going to develop your career. So see that you learn everything properly, you study well, become something, achieve something good in your life and become something, some very good person who will be respected by everyone. Your parents should be proud of you and you should be proud of yourself that by learning, by educating myself, by studying, I have become something and I am doing well in my life. So saying this, I conclude my words and I thank all your first of all father, your headmaster and headmistress, teachers for your kind support for this initiative. Thank you.